How to uninstall League of Legends. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am here to show you some few simple steps to uninstall League of Legends. So first, make sure you've closed your League of Legends and also make sure that your Riot Games is closed fully. Make sure it's not here, and after that click on Start and type in League of Legends. There will be an uninstall button. Go ahead and click on that. Here it will take you to installed app settings. In the search bar, type League of Legends. Here it will show you League of Legends app. Then click on the three dots in the end of the bar and click on uninstall again, and it will start uninstalling League of Legends. This might take a while to just delete all the League of Legends data, so you need to wait for a while, and after a few minutes it will show uninstall successfully. So here click on done and it's uninstalled. And that's it for uninstalling League of Legends. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.